we have to multiply it by 4 powers of 10. Now, the same is true if we go in the other direction. If I have 0.0348, and I change it to scientific notation, it becomes 3.48. But, is my new number stronger or weaker?
Stronger.
By how many powers of 10?
2.
2. So to have it be the same strength as the original number, I have to weaken it by 2 powers of 10, 2. So let's try this one. 0.00762. 10 to how many powers? Negative 3. So we know how to do that. Now, sometimes there is already a power of 10 that's just along for the ride. So I'll give you such a number. I have 362 times 10 to the 5th. Now, is this scientific notation? No. Is it decimal notation? No, it's a hybrid. It's between the two. Now, if we want to change it to scientific notation, the first thing to notice is that this 10 to the 5th is just along for the ride. So let's concentrate on 3.62 and change that to scientific notation. 3.62. Now, did I strengthen the number or weaken it? By how many powers of 10? 2. So now, we have some combining to do. I don't know if you've ever seen this rule before, but a to the n times a to the m is a to the what? N plus m. So 10 squared times 10 to the 5th is what? 10 to the 7th. So we have 3.62 times 10 to the 7th for our scientific notation. So this extra factor is along for the ride, and then the last step, what you do is combine it with the one that you generated. So I'll do one. I have 630 times 10 to the 8th. So this 10 to the 8th is just along for the ride. But I have to convert 630 to scientific notation. So what does 630 convert to in scientific notation? Times how many powers of 10? 2. Now let's collect the powers of 10. How many powers of 10 do we end up collecting? 10 to the 10th. So we have our answer.
Kids, 10, you're 8.
Pardon?
2 plus 10.
September wrote 8.
I told you about that before. Once more and keep talking. Okay, so can everyone please do number 73? No pencils. Answer is 8.2 times 10 to the 7th. All in favor? Good. Okay, now it also goes the other way. 0.41 times 10 to the 6th. 0.41 times 10 to the 6th. So the 10 to the 6th is along for the ride, and I convert 0.41 to scientific notation. So it's 4.1 times 10 to some power. What's that power going to be? Negative 1, because I strengthened the number by 1 power of 10, agreed? Now let's combine our powers of 10 according to our rule. So this is 4.1 times 10 to what? 5th power. Okay, time for our go home problem. Number 77, 2100 times 10 to the minus 9, no pencils. 2100 times 10 to the minus 9. Okay, who's going to take us through the door? Anyone can speak. Alex.
2.1 times 10 to the negative 6.
2.1 times 10 to the negative 6. Say thank you, Alex. Same. Okay. Now, I did not get a chance to present these multiplications and divisions of scientific notation, but your textbook has very good examples. So you can just go through the examples, and therefore you can do all of assignment A3 for the next class. Okay? So, the people that want to continue testing, please collect your belongings, and we will go into the computer lab for test completions. So just bring your stuff along.